I want to show you how to play Honor Him, a theme from Gladiator. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Well, let's start with that short introduction. We're in the key of F sharp, and you're going to have an F sharp and a C sharp in the bass, open fifth, and a C sharp and an F sharp in the right hand. In the left hand, F sharp, C sharp, right hand, C sharp, F sharp. So you've got an open fifth and an open fourth, a quintal sound right there. Put them together and we've got that sound. Just hold it a little while. And then let this C sharp A. So that fills in the chord. Your F sharp minor chord is right there. So we're in the key of F sharp minor there, and so you've got a minor, the A right there. F sharp major would be all black, F sharp minor. So we're going to go back and forth between the C sharp and the A. And you do that, you play each note for 8 times there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got each note 8 times, and we start with the F sharp, C sharp. And when you listen to it, you can barely hear that oscillation in there, and it's the same way in the original. And then we go into the melody. C sharp, F sharp, A, B, A, G sharp. Very slowly and slow and somber. B, down to B, C sharp, E, A, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, B, A, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp. And then there's a little interlude right after that. And then it does it again. So here we go with both hands together. Now your left hand, let me get the left hand together first. You're going to go F sharp, C sharp, then D, A, then E, B, E, then an E, B, E, F sharp, C sharp, open fifth on D, A, D. Then we have an octave, D, D, C sharp, walk it down, B, F sharp, B, and then we're going to open fourth, E, B, E. So we'll walk down the E, down a fourth, down a fifth to the E, and then we're going to have C sharp, up a fifth, G sharp, C sharp, then F sharp, C. Then we'll do an arpeggio on F sharp minor arpeggio. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp. So that's what we'll have right there. And then we just put them together. So I'll go slowly so that you can see it. Here's your introduction. And the melody starts. B and the D go together. The G sharp goes with the E. And then we go back down to the B. So the E and the B go together again. Now the F sharp and the A go together. And the D and the F sharp go together. And then this D and C sharp go together. So you're going to go D, D, C sharp, B. Then the C sharp and the G sharp go together. arpeggio. So that arpeggio is going to be F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp. And then we do it again. Last thing we do is we hit that full chord. So you're going to have F sharp, C sharp, F sharp in the left hand, and you're going to have A, C sharp, F sharp in the right hand. And this whole thing, you really can't take it too slowly, because the slower it goes, the better it gets. There you have it, one of the themes from Gladiator, the movie. This theme is Honor Him. Hope you enjoy playing it.